how to use AI rating to rank your best images fast. So it's pretty simple. First, you want to click on create album and click on the option raw JPEG. Now from here, you can select the folder in which your images are and then click on import from this folder. Once you do that, you can click on something else over here. And once all your images imported, you can go to cull, and from here you can click on start AI automated cull, and from here it's going to choose the settings for you. If you don't want it, you can always click on customize to customize your settings, but I like to go with the default one. Click on start cull, and then AI will start culling, and it's going to choose the best photo you have. And after it chooses the best photo, it's also going to rate them. So you guys can see this one has all the stars. Like this one is good, this one is good, this one is good, this one is not that good. Like look at this, it depends on the color how much star it gives. So that's basically how it is. So over here, if I just remove this over here, look at this, it also shows the one with no stars. But if I choose the 5-star one only, look at this one, 5-star one, I can if I just click on AI selection, it automatically selects all the images that is 5-star rated and it shows to you. That's how you do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.